So, I never thought I'd be doing a review on a product like this, but I woke up one day, September 23rd, and saw that the Telfar bag was trending on Twitter, like some rainbow release, like rainbow collection. So, I just saw it as a good idea to go Christmas shopping. So, I got my mom and my sister matching medium bags, and I'm gonna just do an unboxing on them. I chose matching black medium bags just because, like, it's an all-purpose everyday bag, and they'll be able to use it for whatever they want. So let's see what's going into it. Oh, this official. Oh, this official right here. I like this bag. What the bag will come in. Okay. This is fire. Hey, he got some cool stuff too. I ain't gonna lie. When I was on there, I saw that big duffel. He makes stuff for everybody. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. Where I live, that is true. You see everybody with his stuff. And I already just like how they're presented off rip. You know what I'm saying? Okay. One bag is half open. That's a little weird. But, oh, they both like that. I don't know. So let's see. Okay. Ooh, that's fresh. That's fresh. Okay. Yeah, that's smooth. I like the leather. I can even smell it through the mask, cuz. I like how distinguished, like, that logo is, but it's not extra at the same time. You know what I'm saying? It's very, very classy. I see why y'all carry these. Okay. Oh, okay. It can come undone. I didn't want to undo their stuff if I didn't have to, but I could put this back on. I don't know how to handle a purse, guys. What the fuck? Alright. I like the dehumidifying pack that come in there. Okay. Word. So that's one. Oh, this one, the pack was on the outside. Huh? I guess it's supposed to be on the label in here. Okay. These are nice. These are nice. I'm actually really happy I did this now that I have them in hand. And I really like the quality of the leather. You know what I'm saying? It's just some fabric from the bag. But like I said, I told you I like that real distinguished but not extra logo right there. It's perfectly pressed in there. So you know what it is, but it's not head ass. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what it is, but it's not annoyingly extravagant. You know, it's a subtle flex on the bag. I feel you. I see what y'all be talking about. These is fire though. Okay, I really like these. I like the quality of them too. It's nice. It's vegan leather, so you gotta worry about all that. So the straps don't come off. So I guess normally y'all would tuck them if you don't want to wear it like that. So let's look inside the bag. So basically it came with the dehumidifying pack attached to the tag. There's the tag once I got it to focus. It's actually real spacious in there. Like, it is real deep in there. I ain't even gonna hold you. So you got one zipper on the inside, and then you also have this other tag that has a small pocket, as you can see right there. Now, I don't know what y'all be putting in there. I gotta ask the ladies. What do y'all use this pocket? What y'all be putting in these pockets right here? I ain't gonna lie, I need to know. What do you put in this little pocket right here? A perk? This is the perk pocket. I ain't never seen a pocket like that, but it looked like it has a function. I like it though. I like the little perk pocket. And then there's one more Telfar 2005 tag at the bottom right there. And yeah, that's the bag. Very simple bag, but I see why y'all like it. It's efficient, it's nice. You could do a lot with this bag. That's why I bought it for them, the everyday bag, just so they can always have something. This will go with everything. Maybe I could try to fill it up with my essentials or something. Like, I wonder what can fit in this bag. How do you tuck it? It's like I'm trying to drown the nigga. It keep coming back up. Like I'm like, oh god. Yes. I don't know how y'all look. Yo, I don't have purse literacy, okay? So if I'm manhandling this bag to you, I'm so sorry. So while I was waiting for these bags to drop, I did watch a couple of reviews on YouTube, and I just want to say thank you. You know what I'm saying? Now, on the reviews that I've seen on YouTube, they like to show, I guess, how much this bag can hold. So I'm gonna just put my everyday stuff in there. I don't know what else to put in there. I ain't got what y'all got. I ain't got what y'all got. So we gonna start with, I guess, a sweater. You know what I'm saying? An extra sweater. What if it's cold or some shit? I don't know. Okay, we got that. We got that. Okay, but we still got space. Okay, I got pants too. I got matching pants too. Bam, easy as hell. Wow. I can still see the T logo with the perk pocket. I can still see the perk pocket. So I guess now I'll just do what's in my pockets, because you know I know y'all don't be having pockets like that. But in my pocket, that's where I got my phone. You know, wallet, swag, keys. Where you throw the keys in there? What else I got? Oh yeah, my headphones. You know what I'm saying? And it still feels like good. That's crazy. Yeah, it's still holding itself together. So if I keep it real, you know, I don't leave without her either. So you know, throw her in there. You know, some help. You know, and we still cool. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I stand by this bag. I like this. Now I know y'all like when they be having the on-body reviews and all that. Now let me tell you something. Huh? Let me take a step back. Let me tell you something for real. I ain't got that for you. Okay, I got a boyfriend holding the bag down. That's all I got. That's the only angle I got for you. And you can't hold the bag right. You can't just be standing there like this. What's this? What's this? But the way I kind of like to do it, I ain't gonna lie, you gotta ugly hold it. You gotta ugly hold it so it look like you holding the bag down, not that you holding the bag. You know what I'm saying? I'm not holding the bag. I'm holding the bag down. You know what I'm saying? This is changing room. Look, I'm security. Word. See, I'm security. This is how I do it. This is it. This is all you get. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, you know, I'm outside the changing room. It doesn't happen before I see another nigga. I'll be like, nigga, you know what it is. You know what it is. You know, you try to build that alliance because right now we doing something we don't normally do. So this is all I got for you. Still got all the items in there from the last time. But it's a decent size everyday bag though. I see why y'all like this. And I'm happy I got this from my mom and my sister and all that. So this was a cool little review. Just to get close on it again before I go though. Yeah. It's a nice bag though. Black owned. I like it. No hiccups in that stitching though. Look at that. That's what I like right there. That's just the white fibers from that bag that it comes in. But yeah. I like that. Quality, hey. Quality is quality, no matter what the item is with me. So, I'm happy I got them this bag. If you on the fence about this bag, hey man, I say get it for your girl. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I do any type of video. I give advice. I do it all. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe for more content. Ski Mask J. We out. Bye.